Hello everybody, I am Tony. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, special welcome to you. Today is a sort of different video, but if you've been with my channel for a long time, you might have seen one of these before. This is a shoe unboxing. Now, I have had these for a few weeks. I haven't had time, like with all the holiday stuff going on, I haven't had time to open them. These are the unisex Reebok Question Mids by Iverson. They are a USA size 8. Okay, so this is what the box looks like on the front. You have the Reebok symbol down here, the I3 in the middle, and then his thing. And then you have the sticker right here. And then when you open up the box, this is the hard part for me because I don't have a ton of room. It looks like this, which they're wrapped up. So, no, yeah, they're wrapped up. Let me grab one out. And we'll look at these gorgeous works of art. We're going to open this up together. Here we go. Oh. These are so beautiful. I don't care if you're a guy or a girl. These are so fly. They come with white and pink laces. So I'm gonna get them out real quick just to show you guys. They come with both, and they're both on the shoes, not one in the box. Let me tuck these back in so that they're not flopping around while I show you the shoe. Okay, so this would be the right side of the shoe. You have the, what is this stuff called? I don't think it really has a purpose, but there's a name for it. And can I remember it right now? No. That's just me. Because I roll like that. I forget everything. I didn't do my makeup pink for this video because I forgot what video I was doing, or I would have. You guys know how that goes. Some of you. If you roll these around to the front, the toe box is pink suede and it feels so nice. It's like buttery smooth. Comes back, there's normally, I think, a Reebok symbol here. I think. I could be wrong. I could be getting them crossed with my Air Force ones. They're my two favorite pairs of shoes, so I don't know. That and it's not even 6 o'clock in the morning yet, and I'm really tired. But anyway, I think that there's normally a little tab here that has a Reebok symbol on it. Might be wrong. I actually probably have like 5 pairs of these next to me that I could check, but I'm not going to right now. But yeah, the front is a clear pink rubber with pink stitching. And then there's pink stitching on the back of the suede. Okay, and then we flip it around to the left side of the shoe. This is the inside, whatever you want to call it. This leather is so nice. It's like more of a flat leather here, and then like a pebbled leather toward the back. Sorry, I wasn't holding that all the way up. This, I can't remember what this is called. There's a name for it, but I can't remember what it's called. You have the Reebok that goes down. Each one of these is a letter in the word Reebok. This has a little crease right there, but I could probably get that out just by stuffing it a little bit hard. So we have all this, and then you got your Reebok symbol, which is white in the middle and then pink on the outside. You flip this around to the back. You have your Q up here with the Reebok symbol for question. And then you have your number 3 down here, which is his number. I didn't really point the tongue out very much whenever I was showing you the front. So let me show you real quick. That it is just a Reebok symbol that is on this really thick netted stuff. And it actually kind of crosses over and down and then over and down again. It's actually a really neat design. I don't know if they're normally like that or not. I haven't ever paid attention. A lot of questions that I never really thought of. Whenever you flip this over, there's something on the bottom of this, and I don't know how that's possible unless I just got it on here right now, because these shoes have never hit the floor. Ever. I got them straight from the factory, and they were like sealed. So there's a Reebok symbol underneath all this. Like underneath the pink on the white rubber. And then you have the pink clear rubber over top of it, which says Reebok. And then you have the white Reebok symbol right here. Right here, it says non-marking outsole. And then in here, you have more of that honeycomb stuff that I can't remember the name of. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they put helium in these, but I could be wrong. Like, I've been told that before, but I've also heard that it's false, so don't hold me to that, but it's possible. Anyway, if you are here for, I'm going to set those down for a second. If you are here for my giveaway, put in a shoe type of emoji and then put in your number 1 or your number 2 for makeup or skincare. If you're crossing over from the shoe world, I have a makeup and skincare giveaway going on, and you are more than allowed to enter. All you have to do is subscribe, comment, all that regular stuff. It's all in the description box. It's very easy if you're from the US. It's not hard to enter, and it's quite easy to do. I don't make you go through hoops. I don't make you give me your you know, Instagram or anything like that. It's just really simple. But anyway, these are literally there's actually a little tiny piece of glue right there. Okay, I'm only examining the shoes with like every ounce of my soul right now because I don't want them to be messed up. And I still have time to return them if they would be messed up, but these are honestly beautiful. Let me grab the other one out and I have to unwrap it real quick. Show you guys what they look like. This is the pair of shoes together. They are honestly just beautiful, and I'm so lucky that I got my hands on these because they were not around for long at all. They were available like twice for a couple hours each time, and one of those times was when I jumped online and just checked and they were available, and I was like, oh my goodness, gotta get them, and they were mine like immediately. If there's anything else you want to know about these shoes, send me a comment and I will try to get an answer for you if I don't have one. The shoes are exactly the same. They usually are, at least. I don't see any physical differences between one or the other. And then on the left shoe, we have the tag that comes from the warehouse and stuff like that for if you want to sell them in store, so on and so forth. It has the QR tag and then the UPC codes and all that stuff on it. So that's that. I wanted this to be a pretty short video, and it was successful. If you guys have any comments, any questions, like I said, go ahead and put them down below. Don't forget to join the giveaway if you want to. If you go back a few videos on my channel, there is a 200 subscriber video, and in there is all the details for the video for all the makeup or the skincare. Guys, if you're watching this and you're interested because you have these shoes or you're getting them or you want them or whatever, your girlfriends might love makeup too, so just keep that in mind. But anyway, I'm gonna get going. Thank you guys so much for being here with me while I show you my brand new Reeboks. This is my 4th shoe unboxing, so I'm not great at this yet, and I'm not down with some of the words, but I'm getting there. It's been a long time though. Like, I haven't put shoes up for a few months, so I haven't gotten any new expensive shoes for a few months. I kind of put it on the back burner for my makeup. So anyway, wherever you are, whatever time of day it is, I hope you're having a great one, and I will talk to you guys probably tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it'll be the next day. All right, I love you all. Bye, guys.